Hi everyone! I made an introduction to my YouTube video from my first children's book. The little girl reflects my playful childlike mind. Welcome to Sumiyo Toribe's Creative Adventures. This is my new triptych painting. Before the painting video, I want to announce many other paintings from my Patreon channel. This month's theme is value contrast. The demonstrations are fully narrated, real-time videos from begin to finish. I also started blog posts at my Patreon channel. I would like to share my ideas, process, and findings, like how to package my artwork. Come and join me at my Patreon channel. Let's take a look at the process of my new triptych painting. Wet the paper with a spray bottle. Even it out with a big flat brush. Start with the lightest value color, which is yellow. Make sure to leave the white of the paper at the brightest sunlight area. Work on a sky. I used cerulean blue and French ultramarine. The field green, start with the brightest. Yellow green to green. And working on a background forest, which using a darker green. Getting textures with a brush up and down. Foreground shadow, dark green. Abstract mark making. Splattering on the back for the texture. Let's go with the main tree, which is cropped at the top and it goes all the way down. Working on the strokes using a flat brush. Layer darker green on top. Avoid painting the sunlit area, but paint with yellow instead. Going for the tree trunk, all the way up, straight from the bottom. Making textures with dogger brush. The dark color creates the light brighter. Working on some other trees to balance the big tree. Textures on the background. Using utensil knife to scrape out some areas for the texture. Splatter gold paint to brighten the sunshine and to create liveliness and movement. Filling in some empty areas with gold and also splatter warm yellow to contrast with the cool green. Here is the finished work. Bright sunshine spilling over through the great pine tree. This scene reminds me of hard days drawing summer, returning home from art shows. I like the simpleness of the composition. Repetition of the pine trees unify the image, and the contrasting scale and value makes the painting dramatic. I hope you enjoy the process video. Come see me at my Patreon channel too. Thank you for watching. Have fun painting!